If you want more tips and tricks, or if you even want some lessons, I am beginning to do lessons at barnyardrecs.com. Check it out. So today I am going to be showing you how to get a really crunchy white noise top on your synths or sitting on your sub bass. It could be a replacement for white noise compression bass that a lot of people do, where they take a white noise and a sub and then use distortion to get that cool oscillation sound. But there's a cooler way and a cleaner way to do it using Ring Mod. And I'm going to show you a track that I've been working on that uses that exact technique. So I'm going to play that first drop.
Like the way you're going down, going down, going down.
So there are 3 layers to that sound. Obviously the sub, that mid tone, and then that white noise on top. You can hear it coming in from the intro here, that it's not really doing that, the crunchy oscillation, just because there's no sub there. And as soon as that sub hits, you hear that really dirty white noise bass. So basically what I do for my white noise is that I'll take Serum and then I'll just run any noise I want. This is completely your preference. And sometimes you don't even actually have to use noise. Like this opens the door for a lot of other things, right? So I'll have any sort of white noise you want. And in this case, I picked a really resonant white noise that I am pitch tracking by right clicking on the pitch knob and enabling pitch tracking. And it's kind of playing along with the melody. You can hear that resonant filter play that same melody. We've picked our white noise. We can sidechain it to the sub. And I'm just going to play the sub real quick, just so you hear what's going on. What we do is take a ring mod. I like to use kilohertz ring mod. And then what I'll do is push the bias all the way up so we get that nice oscillation there. Under modulator, make sure you select input 3/4, which will turn it into a sidechain. And then in the ring mod plugin, you're going to want to pick your sub and then add it in there. So what the sub oscillation is basically side chaining the white noise. So these two together sound like this. And then we throw that midsection in there and we get this. And then we get the whole song, right? So in the intro, you'll hear without the oscillation and then with.
Like the way you're going down, going